Let's talk about electrician pay in South Sudan. The average electrician income in South Sudan is around 1,860 US dollars a year. After tax, this average annual gross salary drops to $1,640. That leaves you with a take-home pay of roughly $137 a month. While average electrician pay is lower in rural regions, large cities offer better opportunities. For example, in Juba, an electrician brings home about $1,930 after tax every year. However, living costs in the capital are higher, so that extra income often gets swallowed up by daily expenses. When you start out, entry-level electrician wages are well below the national average. Pay goes up as you gain practical experience, but earnings usually plateau unless you step into management. On top of that, having a university degree makes a huge difference because formal education opens up better roles. It allows an electrician to move into higher-paying positions like electrical engineer or project manager. Finally, employer size matters a lot since small local firms pay a fraction of what large national companies or international organizations offer. Because these global employers have bigger budgets, they pay substantially more for skilled technical work. That is why where you work matters just as much as how much an electrician makes in South Sudan overall.